Well, hey there everyone. I'm Kaye here on my homestead in Tennessee. Welcome to my channel. It is 77 degrees on March the 6th or 7th. I've lost track. And it's going up to 81. But I bought strawberry starts 2 days ago and I don't want to let them dry out and I want to get them in the ground. But I'm going to be planting them in a raised bed, but this is the first time the raised bed has been touched since before winter. So it's going to need a little work, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to get compost on it, but we're going to plant some strawberry starts and see how it goes. I have the bed right down there. It's the one with the, let's see, if you can see, it's the one with the most green on it. All those are weeds, with a few exceptions. I've got some lavender plants in there that I'm going to relocate, put up here in my driveway garden. But let's get started. Welcome. Okay, and be sure and notice these beautiful tulips. These were given to me by late bloomer fan Jamie, and I planted them in December, and they are absolutely beautiful. Lining the driveway. I'm wearing my grounding shoes for the first time in a while, so I hope to get some good electric current going through my body while I work. You know, the only way I can handle all that I have to do is to not think about it and only just say, just go out and do one thing. Just one thing. And so that's what I'm going to do. It's actually very beautiful. This is Speedwell, the little blue beautiful flowers. That's why I'm not going to cut everything today. And this is all purple dead nettle. Henbit is so close to that, but yeah, it's just an absolute carpet. Look at this, especially down here. Look at this. And that's chickweed, and I'm not sure if chickweed blooms. Yeah, I guess it does, that little white bloom. Yes, this one is henbit. It comes up higher. You see the difference? This is henbit. This is purple dead nettle. Same color flowers, same kind of architecture, except it just comes up higher. The leaves are smaller. And also, what do we got? I got dock. And of course, I've got some nutgrass in here. This is nutgrass in here, I think. Well, anyway, it's all mixed in. What else? You can actually make pesto out of this. We should do that. We should make a video and make some pesto. All right, I just wanted you to see it before it's all gone, because it is beautiful. But it will continue to get taller. It'll be like a foot taller, and I will be afraid to walk through here. I've already seen my first baby snake. Meanwhile, I wanted to give you a quick shot of some of my hardneck garlic, which did well over the winter. Not growing those. I'll take that off. I'm going to take out the plants that I'm saving. got bit by my first bug of the year, so I had to go find some bug spray. Should have expected that. When you plant these, you only plant them up to here. You don't bury it way up to here. My last video was getting back in the groove. Well, I'm not there yet, okay? My back is killing me, and all I did was one raised bed, and I've only got 8. So, fun, fun, fun. But I keep telling myself, you know, I was snowed in March in 21 for 8 days. Built a snowman. You may remember that, George. I named him George. Anyway, the other one, I bought 2 sets of 25. I bought 2 bundles of 25 sets, I guess you call it, of the starts of the strawberries. So I'm going to try to plant them in with my asparagus because I understand that's a good companion. Now, I made the crazy decision, you know, I just had some extra cover crop seed and the soil in the asparagus bed was getting really low. And I just sprinkled some cover crop seed in there. So I've got cover crop that high. And so I've got to cut that down and plant the strawberries in around the asparagus, but I don't know where the asparagus is going to come up. You know, I don't have that memorized. I should have marked it. But, you know, asparagus, you have your bundles under the ground, and that's where the shoots prominently come out of those particular spots. So there's plenty of space around that for strawberries, and so I just have to figure out. So that's going to be a little bit bigger job, and we'll do that in a separate video. I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. I'm sharing life on the homestead with cats, one of which is here, one of which is over there. I think you can see her sprawled out on the dirt over there. Gonna have a rude awakening when that's tile. Actually, she may like that. Be nice and cool to lay on. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I am blessed by your presence. Please share the channel and subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell for notifications. Scroll down and click all so you don't miss an episode. And I'll see you in the next one. God bless.